Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Mesa. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my wigs on a day-to-day basis. Alright, before I get into it, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Also, if you like this video, please continue watching. Also, give it a thumb up. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. And yeah. Normally what I use is a nude stocking cap. Well, this one I use it time and time again, and I'm still gonna use it, you know what I mean? It has foundation on it, it has a little wear and tear, but that's alright. I mean, it's not like it's gonna be showing or anything. So yeah, normally I just put it on my head. Yeah, so I do sound groggy. That's because I have the cold and I'm still recovering, so I don't fully have my voice back, but yeah. So sorry about that, y'all. Alright, so I'm just gonna put my wig cap on. Pull it back a little bit. Alright, the next step is I'm going to apply some foundation to the cap so that it blends in and looks more realistic, if you know what I mean. And I'm just going to take this foundation from CoverGirl. You can use any foundation as long as it matches your skin tone. It doesn't have to be anything specific. So I'm just going to apply that onto the foundation brush, and I'm just going to, you know, apply that on the cap. Alright, I like applying my wigs before I do my makeup. I feel like it you know, it doesn't get my makeup messed up, you know, because I mean, if you mess up your makeup, you're gonna have to do it all over again, and girl ain't got no time for that. So I'm just going to, you know, apply the foundation all over the cap. Not all over, but just on the front part where, you know, the lace, you know, will be showing and all that stuff. So yeah, that being done, I sometimes go in with a face powder. I'm gonna take my I'm gonna use my Milani face powder in deep to set that foundation that I just put on. Alright, so with that being done, next, well, I forgot to do one thing. Normally, I'm gonna lift this back a little bit. And I'm just going to spray some of the frizz spray on my edges. So I'm using the Got to Be Glued frizz spray, and I'm going to spray that on my edges real quick. This is just to contain all my loose hairs. You know what I mean? I'm going to brush it in. Next, I'm going to take some alcohol, and I'm going to damp a cotton swab just to wipe off my forehead any grease or residue, you know, that might prevent the Got to Be Glued from sticking. This is the hair, Brazilian Water Wave. you have no idea how or what I have to go through to get these damn curls to stay, man. But let's see if after I put it on my head, if the curls are actually gonna stay, because man, I haven't been wearing this wig just because having a hard time keeping these curls. As you can see, these curls are hella stiff. That's because I use a couple of stuff to keep them. I'm gonna roll back right here real quick. As you see, I have an extended forehead, so my wig is going to make my forehead a little smaller, you know what I mean? So, yeah. So I'm going to take my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm just going to spray that right up here. And I'm going to secure in the middle part first. And I'm just going to use my rat tail comb and just press it in. Take my hair dryer and I'm going to put it on cool settings. And that is to make it dry a little faster, even though this spray dries really, really fast. Alright, so I'm going to work on the other side. Okay. Press it in again. Alright, so that's all done. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead. As you can see, it's a little messy right here. in around my edges. I'm gonna go in with some alcohol. I'm gonna take my towel and alcohol on it. And I'm just going to clean off everywhere that I got this gots to be glued on. If you don't do this, this doesn't look cute under your makeup. Trust me, it doesn't. Alright, so I'm gonna go do my makeup real quick and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I did my makeup off camera. Now I'm going to lay my edges down a little bit, show you guys how I get it done. Normally I use my Gots to Be Glue gel, the one with two, but I'm gonna try something a little different today. I'm gonna take my Aussie mousse and see if that will work, you know what I mean? So let's give it a try. Alright, so I'm gonna shake it up and I'm just going to, just a small amount, and just lay on that edges right there. I'm just going to take a toothbrush, and this toothbrush is specifically for my edges, guys. So try not to let it get on the lace, guys. I'm trying my hardest not to get it on the lace, just so that it doesn't cause it to lift, you know, because the moment water gets on there, it's gonna this lean down. Take my scissors and I'm going to cut off this little piece right here. tie it down, but it kind of already is set, so I'm just gonna let it be. And I'm just going to, you know, play around with it. Yeah, I hope that this video was informative. I know I don't really talk that much, but I'm going to try to do a lot more talking for you guys, interact with you guys. Just comment down in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see me do. Just comment, let me know what's up, and I'll try my very best to deliver. You know what I mean? Once again, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumb up. Also, subscribe to my channel, and yeah. Also, if you want to see a tutorial on this makeup look, please let me know. Please let me know. Alright, so thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys in my next upcoming video. Thank you guys. Bye.